Okay, guys. Oh. Yeah, okay. More Europe country, more European countries. You know what's the call? It's Caribbean. It's Caribbean airline system. Well, yeah. This is what it's called. Well, it's a Denmarkian, Norway, and Swedish. Well, I speak Swedish a little bit, but it's hallå. I said, hi, my guy, Dolph. And maybe you can't land. Maybe it's a horrible weather to be flying out. Well, Cavalier 799 is technical wrong. 26. Okay. Okay, we're here to take off. Okay, take off power set. Okay, come on, baby. Well, how much time? Take off power set, and we are rolling. B1, rotate. Up we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wait, it's getting heavy turbulence. Oh, think we're gonna make emergency landing. Wait, the rain stopped. Never mind. This is non-call for visibility. I don't know where there's a white in. December's over. Bro, we're in 2025. Wait, is that a lighthouse? Oh yeah, look at that. Whoa, get it. Turn. Our way to Norway. Oh no, bro. Wait, why is that thing moving? I mean, look at this thing. Yeah. Cap. Eh? Sorry. Upset. Oh, pilot. Get it. Turn. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain. Okay. So, yeah. Sorry for that. Get the phone call. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, look at it. Oh. Oh, hello. Okay. Bang. Yeah. Okay, it's pancaking. Thank you. It's too steep. Get it. Now look. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. It's